an electric bike?
Which?
Okay, I'm just gonna back out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can take it and
No,
I can.
mean just like if you remove the...
Okay.
Like the bicycles over there.
Sorry guys.
Like in other countries.
Right?
It's so stupid because like it's
No,
so
it's
handy.
It's good. I wish we have bicycle highway in Korea. It's really great for all Earth.
It's really great for
Our Earth.
hearts.
Earth.
Ass?
Earth.
Ours.
Yeah.
Your ass.
S. I do the password. Can you? Yeah,
Yeah, I have it.
you have it. Okay. Or you can just take the bicycle and I will load you.
No, don't worry. It's a little bit further than this one.
Yeah.
But I think there's less people on the weekends.
Mm-hmm. So it's close to the station?
No, it's more like that way.
Yeah.
It's not so much further, but it's less. It's more like old washing machine.
Or the washing machine, okay.
But it's a bit. I think it's a bit bigger. They have more washing machines.
Yeah. Breathe. When it's on,
Yeah, it's recording. Okay. No, you have to bike it. Hi. You have to get used to it.
Yeah. So it's a brake. This one is brake.
Yeah, you go like backwards.
Yeah.
So you don't have to do like this because it's not like a two. You just go up. You got a hang of it? I think it turned off. I don't know.
It's funny. It's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah.
You have to be a bit. You have to be a bit careful when you turn,
Yeah.
especially if you're carrying many things.
Okay.
Did you manage to brake?
Yeah, I think so. Or you could just go straight, or I'll borrow you.
Just take that one. If you take that one.
Yeah. So, okay. Thank you.
sit with that one on top.
Huh. Okay.
I'm just waiting for the bikes.
Okay. It's like, huh. Wow. Yeah. Oh, it's good. That's why or the people like.
They use it like a car.
Yes.
I mean, like the big ones, like the ones in our place.
Mhm.
You know, like the families, they have like 3-4 kids, and that's.
3-4. Wow.
They all have like an electric bike.
Electric bike.
Yeah, a motor that helps them push it.
That sounds better. But it's expensive one, right?
Yeah, they're pretty expensive.
Okay.
I mean, I think in other countries,
Yeah.
you can buy a car.
Of course. Okay, this is the laundry. Thank you for taking me here. Thank you.
No phone.
Yeah.